Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I have been having so much fun with the Arteza Pouring acrylic colors. Posted a few videos recently with these. And then I was thinking, well, there's 28 different colors in this box. Let's do a painting with all of them. So I arranged them in an order that I think will work here. I'll take you down closer. Kind of rainbow style. Did my best. So I'm just going to use about ½ an ounce of each color. It's not going to be exact, but that's okay. We're just going to get all the colors into here. And so I'm going for only about 14 ounces of paint in here. And this is going to take a while, so I'm going to go ahead and speed this part up. All right, the cup is looking very exciting. It looks really orange though. We'll see. So this is a 14 by 14 canvas, and here we go. So for now, the warm colors are definitely dominating. Let's go ahead and do our tilt. All right, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little disappointing. Literally all of the warm colors took over. There are a lot of warm colors in this batch, which I think is maybe one of the things. There's, I believe there's more warm colors than cool. I haven't actually counted, but there's a lot of yellows and reds and whatnot. So we do have some really cool corners. We also have, it looks like, some cells popping up, so who knows. Let's go ahead and we'll let this sit for a little bit, and then we will bring it in for our close-up. All right, we're back. So some little cells popping up. I'm not mad at this. I definitely like it. I just, it's way more red than I was anticipating. So I think I have enough paints. I'm going to do another one, and I'm going to change up the sequence of the colors, because on this I put, I think, a lot of warm colors in first and then the cool colors in last. So that's what you end up mostly with. So I'm thinking maybe reversing the colors, or at least just switching it up a little bit. Let's go ahead and do our close-up. So here is the lower right-hand corner, coming on up to the upper right-hand corner. So you definitely see the cool colors in the corners. Look at those blues in there. Upper left-hand corner. And there are several metallics in here, including bronze, gold, and a metallic red. So you see a little shimmer from those. Here's the lower left-hand corner. And then we just have a very red center. All right, so there you guys go. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you would like to see this with all of these colors again, but in a different order. I'm leaning towards doing that. We'll see. Some of the colors are almost empty, so I'll have to kind of make them stretch a little bit, but I think I can do it. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time.